this video, we will see about Shattila Ekadasi, its significance and story. Ekadasi means 11, Shukla Paksha means bright moonlight, Krishna Paksha means dark moonlight. Shattila Ekadasi, also called as Shattila Ekadasi or Tilda Ekadasi, that occurs on the 11th day of Krishna Paksha during the month of Paush or Magh. In English calendar, it comes either in January or February. Shattila Ekadasi is also called as Magh Krishna Ekadasi, Tilda Ekadasi or Shattila Ekadasi, and is derived from the word Shat implying 6 and Til meaning sesame seeds. On this day, till or sesame seeds are used in 6 different ways. Use of till is considered to be very auspicious on this day, as it provides both religious merits and spiritual purification. On this day, there is a great implication of donating sesame seeds to the poor people. On Shattila Ekadasi, there is also a custom of offering sesame seeds and water to the forefathers or ancestors. This Ekadasi also has the supremacy to wash away all the evil deeds or sins of a person committed during one's lifetime. The highlight of this Ekadasi is making people to understand the great benefits of donating food to the poor. Therefore, the most important activity on the day is feeding the poor, following the prayers to Lord Vishnu. Observing Shattila Ekadasi with full faith and devotion can bless the devotee with lot of wealth, prosperity and good health in all his births. Donating food, clothes, valuables and money to the poor on this day can confer great merits. Shattila Ekadasi fasting shall ensure that the devotee shall never run short of food and prosperity in his house. It is believed that observing Shattila Ekadasi will be bestowed with infinite wealth and good health. The greatness of Shattila Ekadasi is explained in Bhavishyottara Purana as a conversation between Pulasthiya Muni and sage Dalbaya. As per the legend, there was a lady who had immense wealth. She used to donate a lot to poor people and usually perform huge charities to the needy. She used to distribute valuable products, clothes and lot of money, but never donate food to the poor. It is believed that among all the donation and charities, the most significant and divine one is the donation of food. Lord Krishna decided to make the lady aware of this fact. He appeared in the form of beggar in front of that lady and asked for food. As expected, she denied giving food in donation and drove him away. Lord Krishna, who was in the form of beggar, asked her again and again. As a result, lady insulted beggar and put a clay ball in the bowl instead of giving food. beggar thanked the lady and left the place. When the lady returned back, she observed that all the food in the house converted into clay. Whatever she purchased too also turned into clay. Her health became worse due to hunger. She prayed to Lord Krishna to save her from all this. Lord Krishna appeared in her dream and advised her to donate food to the poor and needy on the day of Shattila Ekadasi and also observe fasting with complete devotion. The lady observed a fast as well as donated a lot of food to the needy and poor. As a result, she gained back all her wealth, good health, and happiness in life. Devotees recite Vishnu Sahasranamam and go to Vishnu temples on this day. Chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Sesame seeds can be used in 6 ways. Seeds can be mixed in water and used for bathing. Prepare sesame paste, apply in body and take shower. It can be offered to sacred fire. Donate sesame seeds and rice to the needy and poor. Devotees can consume food made out of this seed. Follow custom of offering sesame seeds and water to the forefathers or ancestors.